Good morning and welcome to Heide Park in Soltau, Germany. It's my first ever Merlin Park abroad, so we'll see how it goes. I've had a... Alright.
Hi guys.
We've got Danny over here.
Hi.
How are you finding Heide Park so far?
It's alright then, it's all good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice weather.
Had a nice little flight to Hamburg.
Only an hour and 15, dead easy, quick.
Fairly easy to get to as well, yeah. Got loads to do for today.
Yeah. No, Colossos. Colossos
yeah.
is top of the list. Yeah, looking forward to that.
Craig's been cool. It's got the scoop on the back of it as well.
Yeah. A bit small though. It looks small from POVs.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Then we've got Big Loop. So you could see corkscrew all train.
I'm excited for that. Yeah.
Be good. But,
and the wing coaster.
Oh yeah, we forgot about the flogged Damon.
Yeah, terrible pronunciation. So yeah.
German Swarm.
Should be a good day.
So we're going to start a day on Colossos. So we'll catch you over there after that.
Sweet.
We just got off of Colossos, you see behind me. It's a really cool coaster. It's the first ever interim prefab. Really good. I think that's my best buddy. And I was with it being cold. See it go behind me? Really good. Going to be making our way over to Desert Racer, which is a Reef clone, but the op cabin to Tyler helicopter, which is pretty cool. So I'll catch you after Desert Race. So we have just done the Desert Race, Surreal Clone. The launch wasn't as punchy as we decided to take it with COVID. Now about to go mountain rafting. I've done the rapids, so how it goes. Not good. The waterfalls are terrifying, aren't they? We're going to go on the mine train now, so I'll catch up with them. The little mine train, powered coaster, it's good. I think I take the Talisman over it still, but the indoor section on this one's really nice. We've got Crake behind us and we've got Big Loop. So we're going to go do these two. The ship on Crake looks awesome, it's sick. We'll do these two, we'll catch you a bit afterwards. On Big Loop and Crake. Big Loop's awful, not a fan of that one. Can definitely tell it was corkscrews all trains because it rides exactly like corkscrew did, which wasn't very pleasant. Crake was really good. I think it's taken Oblivion over it still, but it was really, really good. Currently getting food at the Pirate Burger Kitchen. So we'll catch up after food and we've got the plan is. Joined us after food and I'm called German Swarm. Flug to Diamond, Flug to Damon, I think. German Swarm. Very good. A little bit of a rattle on the seat where it bounces, but I think that's the best wind coast I've done. Definitely think it's better than Swarm, it's really good. Food was good, had a burger. Better than like the Merlin food in the UK, but yeah. Gonna be doing Scream next, so catch up for the big drop tower.
That's not even funny.
We just did Scream. Massive. We're gonna do the bobsled next. Look forward to this. It looks like a better avalanche. Danny,
Yeah.
did you enjoy Scream?
No, not one bit. Hate them. I'll go on them, but I hate them. There you go.
Not good, is it? We'll catch up.
And tomorrow, Hansa, I am proper cacking it for that.
I'm shitting it. Catch you in a bit. We have just done the bobsled.
3 times.
3 times. Alex Sarah is a bobsled enthusiast. You go on? It's better than I've. We're going to make our way to the SLC. Oh God. So might check out the go-karts while down here, so we'll catch up after that. No, not good.
Terrible. Worst one I've been on. It's the worst SLC I've ever ridden. So painful, so
Horrific.
Just, yeah, terrible.
I like all my coasters to kick the crap up. God. Yeah, get rid of that, please. Toxic Garden's not the one. It's fair, both these could go. Both these are the comas. Just put them in the bin. We're going to head over to Colossos for re-rides now, so we'll catch up after a few re-rides, and we're going to check out some flats and the How to Train Your Dragon boat ride, so catch up to them. Joining us after the rides, we did How to Train Your Dragon was cool. Nostalgia for me.
Yeah. Colossos.
Ghostbusters. Colossus is the best video I've ever done.
Yeah.
Ghostbusters was cool.
Yeah. Have you ever done Spider-Man at Universal? It's the same ride system. Really cool.
And then we did. I vlog flume got drenched.
Yeah, that's
We finished today on Flood to Damon.
not even going to try.
German small.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a good day. Definitely come. I'll do a little chick afterwards, but I'll catch up with Flood to Damon. Hi guys, so that is everything for Heide Park. Just had 3 rides on Flood to Damon. The park was fairly quiet today, so I managed to get on everything we wanted to do. The How to Train Dragon ride was a lot of fun. Colossus, amazing woody. This I think is the best wing coaster I've done. Scream was great, a great gyro drop tower, first one I've done. A lot of great rides here. It would be nice to see some investment in the park in the future. Crake, I forgot about Crake, a really good drop tower. Yeah, it'd be great to see some investment in this park in the future because I think it really deserves it. I don't know if I'd take it over like towers, I think in terms of Merlin scale, but it definitely belongs to like a part of that portfolio. But it's good. I had a great day. If you enjoyed watching, please leave a like. If you want to see more videos, they'll be up over there. And if you would like to subscribe to the channel, I'd help me out a lot. Just on there. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you next time.